I thought I would give you a little lesson, a little recap on how to rearrange equations to support the work that you're doing today. So if you take an equation, for example, v equals I times r, if you want to make r the subject, what you have on the right hand side is I times r. So what I want to do to get just r on that side, if I divided it by I, then I have to divide the other side by I as well, because if I don't, it's not equal anymore. So if I divide through by I get v divided by I equals r. So what I have done is to divide both sides by I. Equally, if I wanted to make r the subject, if I wanted to make I the subject, I would do the same sort of thing. On the right hand side here, I've got I times r. I want just I, so I divide by r. So I've got I times r divided by r. To keep it an equation, I have to do the same to the other side, and so I end up with v divided by r is I. To take an equation which perhaps is more familiar to you, speed is distance divided by time. If I want to make distance the subject, I've got distance divided by time over here, so I want to multiply both sides by time. Again, I have to multiply both sides by time, because if I don't, it's not equal anymore. And so you end up with distance equals speed times time. If I wanted to make time the subject, then I would have speed equals distance divided by time. So if I multiplied both sides by time, like I did before, I would get speed times time equals distance, like we did before up here. If I then divide both sides by speed, I get speed times time divided by time equals distance divided by time, which gives me, dividing by speed is what I said and didn't do it. Then I have time is distance divided by speed.